Okay, today I have a really simple and fun red, white, and blue rock painting design for you with a little bit of sparkle with a very simple message. So let's get started. Gave a little bit of Liquitex gesso base coat. Now we're going to go with this Deco Art metallic blue paint and give a nice base coat to a couple of rocks. The other rock is going to be base coated with a metallic red paint. These rocks are from Stones by Shelly. I'll link her Etsy shop in the description if you're interested. They're very smooth, awesome, super cool rocks. But they're really great for any kind of design where you're going to do writing and you need a nice smooth surface. So I love these rocks for that. Because this is metallic paint, it's going to need an extra coat just to get nice solid coverage. So after I finish the first coat, we're going to get a second coat of both colors onto these rocks and make sure that that is completely dry before we move on to the writing. So the writing on these designs is going to be a very simple statement. Kindness is nonpartisan. And I'm not here to be political, but I am here to remind us all that kindness doesn't have a political party. We can all be kind. We can all be respectful. I think we might need a reminder of that. Maybe not we, those of us, those of you that are watching might already be in the right mindset, but the world can get a little complicated in an election year or any time around politics. So this is just my fun little reminder. 4th of July is coming up, but I thought red, white, and blue, this is the message I want to put out this year. So to start off with the writing, I'm using a Posca PC1MR paint pen in white, and I'm going to write kindness in script, and then I'm going to put the is nonpartisan in print below it. So very simple design, very easy to do. Sometimes these, the white Posca paint pens you need it to go over it again to make sure you have nice opaque color, but I'm also going to thicken up the downstrokes on the script to make sure that we have a faux calligraphy feel going on with that. For the next part, I got some really cool new toys from Lydia May, who owns Dot Art Depot. She sent me these petal dotting tools. So they're for flower petals. Really cool. They're perfectly shaped. And then guess what else they can make really perfectly? You can make hearts, nice even hearts. So if dotting and dragging for a heart doesn't work well for you, these tools are really fun. They make these nice chubby little hearts. And then I go in with a disposable eyeliner brush to just kind of smooth out where the paint is, you get kind of that little well of paint where it's kind of sticking up. So I just smooth it out a little bit with my disposable eyeliner brush. But these dotting tools, it's a whole set of them. And so different sizes, and they can be used for flower petals. They can be used for hearts. They can be used for kind of that teardrop look on a mandala rock, which is often done by like a dot and drag from the really experienced people. But this is a way for those of us who have not mastered that so much to get that same look. So thank you so much, Lydia, for sending these to me. I love them. They're so cool. So I'm just going to add some red and white hearts onto this rock because it's got the blue background, just for a little bit of, hey, kindness needs hearts. That's why. Kindness needs hearts. These are cool tools. That's why we're doing it this way this week. Now I'm going to take some red glitter paint and a medium-sized dotting tool, and I'm just going to create a border around the blue paint. So just kind of something to tie it all together, just really easily. I like using the dotting tool because you can get a pretty even line. I do better with the dotting tool than I do with a brush, oddly enough. And I like putting it on with a dotting tool because it's nice and thick, so you get lots of sparkle from the glitter paint. So I'm just going to go around the entire design. Then I'm going to take that same glitter paint, and a dotting tool, same dotting tool, and I'm going to put the red glitter over the hearts that we created with the petal dotting tools. So just kind of to tie the sparkle into the border, and you guys know I like sparkle. So we've got metallic paint, glitter paint. Like, could it get any more 4th of July firecracker without actually putting a firecracker on here? Then I'm going to do the same thing on the white hearts with extreme hologram glitter paint. So that nice kind of iridescent, clearish, sparkly paint that I use on everything. It's very versatile. I'm going to put that on the white hearts. And then I'm also going to take a very fine dotting tool and do the word kindness with the extreme hologram glitter paint, because I want that word to really stand out on the rock and sparkle. So in a world where it's really easy to become overwhelmed with divisiveness or politics themselves, this is the message I want to put out as a reminder to those of us that don't need it and those of us that do, because kindness is what matters. And the more we can have of this, I think the more good things will come of it. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch. Keep spreading that kindness out there, and I will see you next time. Take care.